Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where the markets closed. The Dow led the way with yet another all-time high, gaining 0.6%, but it was the only winner on the day. The 5-day rally for the Russell ended with a 1% loss. The S&P 500 dropped 1.4%, while the Nasdaq was the biggest laggard, once again losing almost 3%. Turning to the leading and lagging sectors on the day, consumer staples led the S&P 500 with a 1.4% increase. Energy added 1.1%. Financials gained a little less than 1%. To the downside, technology stocks were hit the hardest, losing 3.7%. Communications dropped over 2%. Consumer discretionary fell almost 2%. Now let's take a look at some more stocks on the move. United Airlines shares are trading lower in the post-market after the airline reported mixed second quarter results. Earnings of $4.14 per share came in above estimates. Revenue disappointed, though, coming in just below $15 billion. United said it expects to earn between $2.75 and $3.25 a share in the current quarter, lower than what Wall Street was looking for. It sees mid-August as an inflection point when industry-wide oversupply eases. Five Below fell to a new 52-week low, closing the day down 25%. The company announced its longtime CEO Joel Anderson was stepping down to pursue other interests, and also slashed its second quarter earnings and revenue outlook and forecast a 6 to 7% drop in comp store sales in the period. Several analysts downgraded the discount retailer and slashed their price targets. Wednesday's decline is the biggest one-day decrease since March of 2020. Lastly, semiconductor stocks were under pressure amid reports of tighter export restrictions from the U.S. related to China. Meanwhile, former President Trump told Bloomberg Businessweek that Taiwan should pay the United States for defense after he said it took about 100% of America's chip business. TSM is set to report earnings Thursday. Shares were under pressure ahead of it, down just under 8%. Here's what to watch for tomorrow. On the earnings front, we'll get reports from Domino's, D.R. Horton, and Abbott, among others. After the bell, all eyes will be on Netflix. And on the economic data front, we'll get weekly jobless claims and the Philly Fed Index. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.